although there's like mad snow coming down right now, I still got that spring fever. So today I decided to do like a little makeup tutorial. Hopefully it turns out better than my last one. You guys know I'm obsessed with E.L.F products, E.L.F, whatever you call them. I'm gonna do like a light little summery, kind of like a glowy, vibranty kind of look today. I'm like super excited because the warm weather, you feel the warm weather coming. Anyways, to start off, I don't have anything on my face except for my eyebrows that I drew in, and I drew them in with my E.L.F pencil that you guys saw in my other makeup video. So let's start because I got that island fever. Anyways, I decided to wear my extensions today. I hope they don't look too disgusting because I went a couple days without them because I was like, you know what, I don't need these things. And then I realized I was like, yeah, I need these things. So I have my mirror back there so I don't, you know, make a fool out of myself like I did. So I'm gonna start off by using, I love this, E.L.F's Mineral Face Primer. Let me tell you a little bit about this. At my old job, I was using this all the time. And when I started using it, even my manager noticed. And he was a guy, and he noticed. He said, yo, Ash, your face looks different today. I go, oh yeah, word, how? And he goes, I don't know, it just looks a lot smoother. And I was like, man, because I'm wearing E.L.F's face primer, that's why. It's filling in all those little, you know, little things on your face, okay? It kind of looks like hummus, actually. That's what I would say that it looks like. But anyways, let's do this. So this is priming up my face. So now that we have our primer on, I recently bought, for the first time ever, I bought an E.L.F foundation. Okay, I was skeptical at first because you know how I am with my foundation. I was like, I'm all into bare minerals now. So this is in the color Sand, and yeah. It took me the longest time to figure out that you actually had to dampen a beauty blender before you use it. First few times I used it, I just used it dry and I was like, what is this supposed to do? Cause pretty sure it ain't working. I'll tell you one thing, my specialty is not makeup tutorials. I don't know why. So I also bought the E.L.F Perfect Finish HD powder. It's just a clear translucent powder just to kind of, I guess, just hold in my foundation. I don't know. So what it looks like, completely clear translucent powder. And I'm just gonna just like pat it on. Just to like, it's like a setting powder, I guess. Keep it nice. I never really understood what this setting powder does, but figured it does something, right? Okay, so I'm just gonna like bronze up my face a little bit. This is not an E.L.F product, but I'm just gonna kind of make my face a little, you know, I just want to look a little glowy, you know, like tan looking. I love doing my jawline because it really does help. Like when you contour your jawline, I only recently found out about this, really does slim out your face. I mean, it's amazing. So I'm trying to do an island video and I look pale. Hey guys, so I actually bought the E.L.F concealer slash highlighter. So you got the highlight, no, you got the highlighter on that end and the concealer on that end. And just try it out. This is the highlighter. Yeah. So I don't really, it works okay. It does work pretty well. A lot better than their powder version. So this is in the color Light slash Glow. And time to cover up some dark circles. Oh, God, I almost, so close to my eyeball. I love their makeup. Their makeup is bomb diggity. Ooh, I look wide awake now. Ain't no tired eyes here. This is Maybelline Cheek Stain. And it's in the color Coral Sheen. Maybelline Coral Sheen. That is some coral goodness. Now, if that doesn't scream spring/summer, I don't know what does, okay? Look at this, ready? You just got very light because I swear this stuff goes on like, whoa. Ooh, I got rosy cheeks. A little China doll now. Love this. I mean, it really looks like I'm blushing. Now, this is brand new from E.L.F. It is an eyeshadow palette. And it's got, the logo is like this blue, beautiful like blue watercolor. And the palette, the actual palette color name is Island Breeze. And you're about to find out why. Whoa, now. Okay, so, oh baby. Look at those colors. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. Some of the colors are very, very light. Now, the one thing I'm gonna say though, I don't know, I think it's just because E.L.F. is a pretty good brand and I feel like they're just lately been getting a lot of credit. So I think that's why they're jacking up their prices a little bit, but this palette, and maybe it's because it was brand new and it just came out, but this palette was $12 and I was a little shocked, I'm not gonna lie. Everything else, like this foundation was only $5 and their primer was what, like $3? Their concealer was like $2 or $3. And I mean, this was $12, so I mean, they're good and all, but what's up, yo? So I think I'm gonna, you know what, just for the heck of it, I'm gonna match my shirt and I'm gonna go for that vibrant yellow. Let's see, so I'm gonna take the very light color right here and I'm gonna try to highlight my eye. That's a nice shimmer. This palette is a very shimmery palette, so it's cute, you know, once you get a tan going and you're like, colors just shimmering off your face, yellow's got it going on, so. Ooh, baby. That's some color right there. I'm not used to these vibrant colors, guys. This is new to me, all right? I'm so used to my browns and my neutrals. Seeing myself in this different light is kind of freaking me out. Okay, and now I think I'm just feeling it. I'm gonna blend in like this pinkish purple color because I think it's beautiful. Oh, this is making my eyes look like a freaking sunset. I'm gonna go line these eyes right now. Okay, so I lined my eyes, well, just on the top really. Because this is supposed to be like a light, bright summer look, I'm not gonna line the bottom of my eyes. I don't wanna make them look too dark, like as if you're going out for the night. This is supposed to look like you're at a tiki bar or something. I am going to grab my E.L.F. palette again, my Island Breeze, and I'm gonna go for this dark, but still light. It's like a medium brown. It's like a coconut brown. So I'm gonna just take a little tiny brush like this. Dab it on. Here we go. The interesting thing about this eyeshadow, I just wanna say, is when you first look at it, it looks very dusty. Till you get the top layer off, then everything underneath is it's almost liquidy actually. It's not all powder. It's like muddy. It's very muddy, so I think it's kind of a good thing because I think it will actually help your eyeshadow stay. I mean, look how pigmented this is. This is not bad for drugstore. Oh, and I have makeup on my face again. This is, oh boy, I'm just like, you know, does this have to happen? And I swear this only happens when I'm trying to do a tutorial. Okay, you know what guys, that's as good as it's gonna get right now. Cause I ain't got all night to play around like that. Whatever. Okay, so, anywho, so I'm gonna go take my dark thingamajig, and now, very carefully, I'm just gonna go underneath my eyes. Like this. Because this creates like a nice natural liner for your eyes instead of putting that harsh like black eyeliner underneath. So we got some like dark action going on under the eye. Island breezy. Oh. Ooh. What you know about that? Whoa, what you know about the island breeze? Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in and just gonna repop some color here, just like on the inner parts right here, kind of give it a little highlighter in there. Guys, I live by this. This is my makeup setter. It's a makeup mist and set by E.L.F. and I don't have the package it came in, but it was only about $3 or $4, and it's got like aloe and vitamin E in it, and it's got all sorts of nutritious stuff. So I love this setting spray because I will tell you, I know when I forget to put this spray on, I'll look at myself in the mirror wherever I am and I'm like, what? This gives my face this nice little dewy look that I like, and you know what? We're doing the island look today, so I want to look dewy. Make sure I get it on my eyes because you know you want that. Tastes like vinegar. Okay, it's... No. Last but absolute not least, I just, you know, just picked this bad boy up too. It was about $5. It's actually an E.L.F. lip plumping gloss. How about that? I'm all about the lip plump. So, I mean, my lips they're not horrible, but they're definitely not plump lips, so. This one is in Mocha Twist, and it goes on like a very natural color. It's almost very similar to the color of my lips, but, oh man. Let's see if my lips get plump. Oh my god, I think it's working. No. And I think it helps my lips look a little fuller, but I wouldn't say it makes them look plump or anything like that. This is the island look. What do you guys think? Anyways, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you a little bit of summer/spring inspiration. I just wanted to try it out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Why not? Let's be friends. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Oh my god, these extensions look like freaking